So coming to the governance versus business value, picking the right platform. So like where it will impact, if at all the processes are not in place, it will impact in on-time delivery, on budget delivery, quality. Here I should provide an example of like for example, one of our banking customer. So they could able to come out with the clear-cut requirements with POC. They have finalized the platform within 1 week, and they would able to complete the solution and then get the benefit within a month. So similarly, the worst example is like, so one of the organization, they were not clear about what exactly they want out of this, so they keep on doing the POC for a few weeks and months also, I think a couple of months, and then finally they encountered a bottleneck and then they could not able to proceed. So here they lost time, budget, everything. So picking the right platform is very key. So here the processes should be established. Similarly, center of excellence. Most of the customers, though in the initial stages they depend on us to get the scale to develop the citizen developers, but the number of citizen developers in that particular organizations, it should be improved. So here, if at all that's not the case, so then again the on-time delivery and innovation and the end user satisfaction, all these will get impacted, because so though the customer success team of Quixy will be involved in delivering these solutions if on the need basis, so but the turnaround time of getting these requirements from the end users and then understanding these requirements and again delivering the solutions and then validating by the end users, so this will take time. So instead of that, if the end business users, if they take control of the citizen development, like developing the solutions in low-code, no-code platforms, so the turnaround time will be reduced. So then the security, so if at all we are not considering the security-related processes, there will be a huge problem, and then will not be deriving the much business value. Similarly, development lifecycle, requirement outcomes. So here the requirement outcomes, always it should be aligned to the business goals. If at all they are not aligned, so though at the end user level, so the apps are giving the results, so but the data, whatever the processes we are building, so it will not convert into the business value. So the requirements or outcomes, always it should be aligned to the business goals, and then the outcomes also need to be properly defined, so to improve the operational efficiency. Similarly, the design also very much important for the operational efficiency or end user satisfaction. Here I need to take the example of a production company, so where they have implemented different solutions. So the HR department, they implemented a solution for the employees, and then production department, they independently implemented solution for tracking the workers' performance, all those things, workers related data. And even for the attendance, all those things, they are using the third-party system. So what happened here is the data design is not proper, so there was a data redundancy. So the same data of employee is designed in one way in HR solutions, and then in another way in production-related environments, and another way the third-party solution which is managing the biometric integration of the attendance. So they are maintaining the employee data in different. So when we want to integrate all these three put together, so then we're not able to do. So then again redesign has to be there. So which in turn again impacted the business values with respect to the time, budget, quality, etc. So that's why the data design, all those things are very much important. And then individual citizen developers should not be empowered to design their own data table. So like there should be a review mechanism to review and approve whatever the design the individual departments are doing, so that it is aligned to the overall organization level. Next comes the on-premise infra. So here, if at all the government policies or defense policies, so they require that compulsorily the data or application should not be on cloud. So then they should be in on-premise. Then this is best fit. Otherwise, it will be unnecessarily. It will add the additional trouble on budget or so, like management of this on-premise infrastructure. And finally, the change management, adoption and maintenance, reviews and audits. These are all directly linked to the operational efficiency. These things need to be properly governed. Otherwise, the business values with respect to the operational efficiency or end user satisfaction or customer delight, so it will get impacted.